How's the year going so far in terms of performance? Let's look at some of this in detail. You can see with some of the client portfolios, and the reason client portfolios vary is because, of course, they have different levels of risk appetite and drawdowns. And you might say, well, surely it's irrelevant what their drawdown appetite is for them, because if they're going to hold for a long term, what does it matter how much up and down the portfolio goes in the interim? And you're absolutely correct. When it's a bespoke portfolio, you don't care how much it goes up and down. Of course, if you were a fund, you would care how much it goes up and down, because you might not be able to sell more of the fund to people. That's why it's far better having your own bespoke portfolio than having just a fund, which will necessarily want to have less ups and downs because it's trying to accumulate the largest number of clients, and so will have less growth. What you actually want is one which is bespoke to you. Now, we've named them after clients in honor of the clients who helped create them. We take the approved list of stocks, and then we break that down. So obviously the markets have been good, so the stocks have done well. If it was a bad year, we will get a 2022 again. We won't assume that everyone's going to hold cash, even though we told clients that we're going into cash. And so what we've done is we've put the returns as if everybody stayed fully invested. And you can see the outcomes over there. What are the essential differences between the various holdings? Well, the ones with the biggest returns have had exchange traded funds, which have had some degree of leverage. That's a very high risk strategy to do. And with the ones who have had slightly lower returns, that's usually because they've got not such a high weighting in the stocks which are rocketing ahead. You might think that's stating the self-obvious, but actually, if you look at the broader markets, whilst earnings have been rising, there are still some stocks which are not soaring. It is a concentrated batch of stocks which are soaring, and that's what's been leading the way. Thankfully, that concentrated batch, when you take all 10,000 stocks that we filter through, still has probably about 1,000 stocks, which you would call doing rather strongly. So I should clarify, AI picks are not AI stocks. They are selections made by artificial intelligence. And you can see this year, artificial intelligence, when we fed it all our data, has actually done better than some of the manually selected ones, which is good. Look, like and follow for more, and question your IFA wealth manager why their performance is so poor. Thank you.